how to disable safe search in your Google account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can disable safe search. So in order to disable safe search, you can first open any web browser or directly the Google search engine, and from here you will need to search for Google account safe search and then hit the search button. Now wait for the results to appear, and from here you will need to go to this website, that is google.com, with the hyperlink text written as your safe search setting. So click onto this your safe search setting, and once you will do, it will directly open the page from where you can change the safe search setting. Currently you can see that it is set to filter, which means that the safe search is enabled. Now in order to disable safe search, simply select the off option and you can see a message that says safe search is now off. So that's how easily you can disable the safe search for your Google account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.